This is a radiator pressure cap, a crucial component in the engine cooling system. It might be the reason why your engine is overheating. And here is the reason why. The radiator pressure cap serves two purposes. One, it allows pressure off the cooling system, and two, it allows the volume of the cooling system to be reduced. As the engine warms up, pressure rises, and the pressure presses against the force of the spring on this seating, allowing coolant to flow off the overflow valve into an expansion tank. Once the pressure drops in the cooling system, it opens this valve, which allows the coolant to flow back into the cooling system. Now, therefore, a wrong choice of the radiator pressure cap will cause an engine overheat. This is how you choose. In this radiator, this is a small 660cc radiator, and this is a 2-liter engine radiator pressure cap. Therefore, look, as we close it, as we lock it, it's already lengthy. Therefore, if the pressure rises, already the valve is closed. There is no way it's going to relieve. This will increase the pressure in your cooling system and the engine will overheat. It is therefore recommended, take the height of the seat, compare it to the pressure cap so that you choose the right one. While at it, make sure you compare it with the manufacturer specifications of the pressure that's supposed to relieve at.